Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming connectivity and account status. This fixes most profile errors quickly. Sign into your primary Google account in Settings Accounts. If you already see it, remove and re-add it to refresh tokens. Once done, make sure Google Play Services is enabled and not restricted by battery or data saver. Reboot the device to force background sync. These steps re-establish authentication and permissions, so Play can locate your profile instead of returning a blank or missing profile message. Next, you clear corrupted local data that often causes the no profile error. Open app settings for Google Play Store, Google Play Services, and Google Services Framework. Clear cache first, then clear data if cache alone doesn't help. After clearing, return to accounts and force a full Google sync so fresh tokens are pulled from Google servers. If you see sync error, tap it to view details. Once the sync completes, reopen Play to verify your profile appears and apps list refreshes correctly. Finish by updating the Play Store app itself. Open Play, tap your profile icon, go to Settings About and trigger an update. If problems persist, test signing in with a different Google account to see whether the issue is account-specific. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This clears deep system corruption that can hide profiles. If you still face the error after reset, contact Google support with device logs. Otherwise, switching accounts usually reveals whether.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.